Hi everyone, good morning to all of you and welcome back to my another new blog video. So in this video I'm gonna share with you in this place. So let's get start this video. So dear friends, actually in this place in our village behind site, and as we can see beside the big paddy field look like green rice field, and it's called also paddy field or rice field. Okay, so dear friends, actually today actually it is time 8 a.m. and today I wake up very lately. After 1 hour ago, I woke up. Okay, so and now I have come here for video making purposes. I have come here and now I'm making on blog video. So dear friends, as we can see in our behind side on uh, like a tip well, it's called uh, a water pump, and it's on machine, and this pipe and watering in our paddy field, watered in our paddy field. So this field actually like now not any crops, and it will be seeds like a jute. Okay, so dear friends, so as we can see in our village or behind side, this is our village, and I can see so many uh, trees, and so many type of trees and plants, so like bamboos and banana, so many type of trees. Okay, so dear friends, if you learn speaking English fluently, then you have to practice practically like this way. Now I am making video, and what I see I explain those type of things like rice plants and bamboos, and like I can see so many things like you can see sky color today actually, white color, and sky color actually blue color. So now I'm seeing actually I can see white color. And dear brothers, and if you learn English and you know like I'm a beginner learner, actually I what I see around me I describe these things, and you also practice this way in learning English. Okay, if you believe that you can practice regularly, and you will be able to learn speaking English fluently after 3 months or 4 months later, it will be possible. But it not fluent speaker, actually English is a not shortcut way, and every single day if you practice, then you have to achieve that. Okay,